Today we're going to talk about data loss prevention. The first thing we're going to do is go to a browser and we're going to download a tool called SyncToy. SyncToy is free software from Microsoft that allows you to synchronize the information from two different folders. The download already started. Just takes a few seconds to download the software. Once you've downloaded the software SyncToy, you're going to double click. I agree. Now that we've downloaded and installed SyncToy, in order to demonstrate the SyncToy software, I'm going to create a couple of folders that we can use to synchronize. Right here on the desktop, I'm going to create a new folder, and we're going to call this one Folder A. I'll keep this one here. I'm also going to navigate to an external hard drive, and I'm going to create another folder on the external drive, and we're going to call this one Folder B. This could also be a Dropbox account, any folder that you have on a cloud, but for demonstration purposes we're going to pair Folder A on my computer to a Folder B, which is on my external hard drive. Now that I've created both of these folders, I'm going to open the SyncToy software, and it's very easy to use. There's one button here. It's called Create New Folder Pair. I left click on that once, and on the left hand folder I'm going to browse to the desktop and select the folder we just created, which is Folder A, and click OK. Then on the right hand folder I'm going to browse. I'm going to go to the external hard drive where we created Folder B. I highlight Folder B and click OK. Then just follow the wizard. I'm clicking Next, and it'll ask you what you want to do. What do we want to do? I would like to synchronize these two folders. I'm going to click Next, name the folder pair. I'm going to call it Backup, and Finish. And right here on the bottom right hand side there's a Run button. I'm going to click the Run button. The SyncToy run completed successfully. In order to demonstrate the synchronization process, I'm going to place a file inside of Folder A. And as you can see right now, this is in Folder A, but it's not yet here in Folder B. I'm going to click on the SyncToy software, and run. And once you click the Run button, it's going to synchronize folders from the left to the right and from the right to the left. So no matter which folder you're in, it's going to synchronize on both sides, which means as long as you have one or the other of these two folders, you will never lose your data. We are now going to schedule SyncToy to automatically run a synchronization once daily. In order to do this, I'm going to click on the Start, and in the search box I'm going to start typing in task. Once I start typing task, the task scheduler program shows up. I left click on task scheduler, and I'm going to left click on create a basic task. I'm going to name this Sync Toy, and just put a description of backup, and click next. It already is on daily. I'm going to click next. Recurring every 1 day. You can also choose the time. The default is start a program. I click next. I'm going to browse my computer on the C drive into the program files, and I'm looking for a folder in the program files called SyncToy 2.1, which I double click, and the file I'm looking for is SyncToy CMD. I'm going to double click on that. It automatically puts the script in here, program files, SyncToy 2.1 / SyncToy CMD.exe. In the first box, under add arguments, I'm going to type a minus with a capital R. The -R, and then click next and finish. And that's it. I've now just scheduled the task of running the SyncToy once daily, and the folder A and folder B will be synchronized once a day without me ever having to do anything, and my data will always be backed up.